Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Djay Pro fully unlocked on your Android smartphone. Please, before we go any further, remember to subscribe, like and share with your friends for more tutorials. First thing first, make sure you have a stable internet connection and visit my Telegram channel through the link in the description. Download Djay Pro APK file from my Telegram and save it to your device. Now go and check in your downloads through the file that you use or my files. Click install and follow on-screen instructions. Now you can enjoy the app for free. For more information, do not hesitate to ask. Please subscribe as a sign of support. Don't forget to like, share with your friend who would like to get such information. Bye.
Anytime with you.